Para siya sila yun. Ang pikwan baga so sabi namin, oh no see this. Yeah. Wow. This is quality. Ooh. That's a beauty.
So, na ita ba ano? Come on.
One of the prime of nature, soursop fruit. Good for a lot of things. So good that I'm just